Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating utilities so removal is safe and simple. Turn off the water at the main or local valves and open faucets to relieve pressure. This prevents leaks while you work. Next, shut power to nearby circuits and confirm with a tester because metal tubs near wiring create hazard. Remove faucet handles, escutcheons, and the overflow cover, then unbolt visible anchors. Once done, clear caulk with a utility knife so seams give way when you start lifting. With fixtures removed, you detach the drain assembly and P-trap. Expect residual water, so have a bucket and rags ready. Unscrew or cut the drain flange from below, then remove any clips or brackets securing the tub to studs. Next, slice through remaining caulk and insulation at the lip using a sharp utility knife. Then use a pry bar to separate the tub from the surround. Work a few inches at a time to avoid tearing framing. Make sure to support the tub so it doesn't shift suddenly. You now coordinate the lift. Position 2-3 helpers, place straps under the tub and lift straight up while guiding edges clear of walls. Once removed, immediately cover open plumbing with caps or temporary plugs to prevent pests and drafts, and check surrounding framing for rot or rust that must be repaired. If panels were removed, temporarily reinstall or brace them to keep the area safe. Troubleshooting tip: if the tub won't budge, double-check hidden fasteners and caulk lines. Heating stubborn sealant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.